Hi everyone, I'm Ufa Kasad. I am basically from Mushkandas, Gilgit. I am currently studying at Habib University and my major is Communication Studies and Design. I choose this major because after my intermediate, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do because I didn't had any specific goal in mind and communication design, but I knew that I was more into film production and media studies. So this major communication studies and design was a lot more broad, and it gave me an opportunity to explore different fields like within communication and design, like film production, photography, animation, and screenwriting. So it was a lot, like it gave me a lot of opportunities to learn about different fields. And like Habib, it's a liberal arts university, and it didn't limited me to just it gave me options to take different courses, not just within my major but different majors. Like I'm taking a course on sociology this semester, and I'm really loving that course. That was something different from my major. So in addition to skill development or skill learning, like learning softwares or learning how to operate a camera, Al Habib focuses a lot more on theory, and I'm specifically talking about communication and design. So it focuses a lot more on theory, and it gives you a chance to explore this field and to learn more about it, like what have people done in the past and how they have like entirely changed the field, how they have been so innovative and different ways. So it opens up your mind and it gives you different ideas to about your projects, your personal projects, and whatever you want to do in future. And apart from that, it also focuses on professionalism. Like the courses are very tough. Like if I'm taking a film course, I have to put a lot of energy, a lot of time to that course, but in the end I get to learn a lot, and you get the satisfaction कि हाँ भाई बहुत सीखा, and you learn the skills and you learn how to implement them. So this is something really good about this major. If I'll talk about job market and future prospects, so Habib is a new university in comparison. Like it started back in 2014, and अभी तक सिर्फ 3 batches ही graduate हुए, like 2018 से 2020 तक. And so I really can't talk about job market इस scenario में. Do you consider, I am not sure if I consider my university the best in Pakistan, if I talk about my own major, and there are reasons why I'm saying this. And so when I came to Habib, I was really excited because I really liked the major, I really liked the course, but then I learned from my peers, my seniors, that this major is not really good at Habib, because first of all they aren't offering many courses. Like there are limited courses and students like ज़्यादा हैं, तो like there's a lot of competition कि courses नहीं मिल रहे, because that's a constant issue. And the other is like मैंने पहले बोला था कि they focus a lot more on theory. So skills पे students are like they're not really focusing on skills या practical software learning पे इतना focus नहीं हो रहा. So that was really sad because I really chose this university बहुत खुशी से, and then this happened and I got really disheartened. But there is also good news. We got this good news this semester कि they are entirely changing the CND course. CND is like communication design. So they're entirely changing this whole course, and they're gonna introduce different majors within this major, communication studies and design. Like different first year will be the foundation year, then there will be different majors, and student will go to their respective majors. Like if someone is interested in film, photography, journalism, animation, graphic designing, or just design theory. So that's something really good. And right now I can't say that Habib is the best university in Pakistan for communication design, but in future maybe I'll be able to say it because I'm very optimistic about this. So in Habib we have just two departments. One is Dhanani School of Science and Engineering, and the other one is School of Arts and Humanities. So Dhanani School of Science and Engineering में हमारे पास further 3 majors आते हैं: Electrical Engineering, Electrical Computer Engineering and Computer Science, and Liberal Arts School of Arts and Humanities में हमारे पास further 3 majors आते हैं: Social Development Policy, Comparative Liberal Arts and Communication Design, जो मेरा major है. So 3 majors आते हैं. तो overall we have only six majors, and our student body is not that huge, but बहुत छोटी student body है, but it's like a small community. And then whenever you'll apply to Habib, there are many scholarships. There is also a financial aid. So whenever you apply to Habib, you get a chance. You can apply to these scholarships, like different percentages ka scholarship are like 25%, 50%, even 90, 80, 90%. So different percentages ka scholarship, and once you apply to Habib, you can apply to these scholarships as well, and financial aid. Now I'd like to talk about HU-TOPS. So what is HU-TOPS? HU-TOPS is actually just like LUMS's NOP, matlab it's financial 100% scholarship for students from different areas of Pakistan, and I am also a HU-TOPS student. So annually 50 students को under HU-TOPS लेते हैं, and like वो different regions से आते हैं. तो and this specific scholarship is only for students from intermediate boards, like O levels के students के लिए नहीं है ये scholarship. So if you are from AKUEB board, if you are from federal board, और जो भी local boards होते हैं, आप अगर आप उसके students हैं तो you can apply for this scholarship, and it's 100% scholarship. HU-TOPS का first round start हो गया है. You have to just like Habib's official pages on Instagram and Facebook, and you'll get to know कि कब है deadlines and कब admissions open हो रहे हैं. And HU-TOPS का first round admission open हो चुके हैं इस वक्त. And if you're someone who is interested in different fields, like not just in communication design, if you're someone interested in social development policy, you can apply to that. Okay, I guess I'm done. Bye.